Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe.
I'm Charlie Bennett, a national licensing consultant for One Exam Prep.
Even though you are familiar with the Florida licensing process, you are primarily, some of your expertise is that out of state, right? So people watching
Yeah,
this, they should kind of feel more comfortable if they're watching it from other states other than Florida, correct?
absolutely. PSI testing, one of the testing companies that's given throughout the South. Some of the cities require some licensing, and they use that national standard. I think I'm well versed on. I'm well versed on all the PSI stuff. And again, I started in Florida, so I'm Florida inside and out with county and state as well.
What are some of the ways that people can reach out to you directly?
Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 904-710-8908 is my direct number. Charlie at oneexamprep.com. I'm always open and available to a conversation. Whether you're new and just trying to see what it takes to become licensed, or whether you're experienced out in the field and just need to know what it takes to get your license, I'm there to help either way with any kind of expert opinion that I can give.
Thank you for joining us, Charlie, and giving really our subscribers some of that information. People want to know what's going on. People want to know what's different, especially during these times.